Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am here for another unboxing from the TikTok shop. I got this in the mail and I was like, did I order like a prescription or something? It came in a box, but it came in this little baggie and it says vacation, now proudly available online, delivered to your door. And I opened it up and it was none other than this Vacation Classic Whip SPF 30 Broad Spectrum SPF Sunscreen Mousse. Water resistant, 8 minutes, 4 ounces. Okay, so for true connoisseurs of leisure, something else free, vegan, cruelty free, PEG and paraben free, dermatologist tested. Its purpose is sunscreen, helps prevent sunburns. If used as directed within their sun protection measures, decreases risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. So apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure. Dispense a ping pong ball size amount and apply to a single area. Repeat up to 4 times for the whole body. Don't spray on the face, spray onto hands and rub on face. Okay, I already used this and I squirted it like all right. It's a lot. When it says like a small amount goes far. And then what else is in here? Okay, it's just like some winning thing. Okay, I don't even know if I want to squirt this because, shake vigorously, turn can upside down, tilt nozzle with finger. Start with ping pong ball size. Full body will require 4 tennis ball size amounts. Rinse and wipe off if any excess product before placing cap on. Okay, so it has this little button. I thought you had to like peel it like a whipped cream bottle. No, you press it in and pull up. And I'm just gonna put like a very little on my hand. Look, that was just a tiny squirt. And, okay, it feels weird, but I feel like I have to put it on my leg because, I already put it on the rest of my body. But look, it is so, like thick. Okay. Y'all better buy this sunscreen. I am reviewing it for y'all. Anyways, hopefully I'm not allergic to it. This is my first time using it. But I will link it for you down in the description box. I feel like it would be fun for the kids, for partners this summer season. So anyways, I will be doing more reviews of stuff I get from the TikTok shop. But for real though, if you guys want to shop this item, I will link it down below. Check it out on my Amazon storefront. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch y'all next time. Bye.